Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today we are going to build a port scanner in Python using socket model. So socket model is from Python standard library, right? And it's equivalent to BSD socket interface. What it means, we can build like full-flagged network applications, including client and server programs like web server, um, what else? A chat, all right, FTP, this kind of stuff. So now we are going to start this, all right? I'm going to use my virtual machine here, Ubuntu. I have the other machines over here, so yeah. I'm going to open my terminal, all right, and then I'm going to let me just size this. Okay, here. Here. CD desktop. Okay, now we're going to use Nano. Why we are going to use Nano? For me, Nano is the best text editor. All right. There's Vim also. It's very good, but I like to use Nano. There's no why. I just like it. And pscan.py. So here we start. We have to import this module. All right. Socket. So import socket. Done. Now we are going to create a function def scan. All right. Here we are going to set the names for strings like target and ports. Target. Choose target, and then ports. Right. So all right. Done. Now we're going to print a message like, hey, we are going to start, we're starting scanning the ports. So new line, and all right, plus to concatenate, and then starting scan for, and then a string str, and then target. What's going on? str target, right? Close. Now for port in range. What is range? We have to define where we start and where we finish. So we have 65,535 ports on the computer, right? For many services and many doings we can do. So where we start scanning the ports and where we finish scanning the ports. I'm going to start on port 1 and then set ports. Why we are setting ports? Because we are going to decide how many ports we are going to scan, right? So for this we have to set like that, and then now we scan port, and then target and ports. Okay, port, I don't know, just port. All right. So now we're going to create another function def to scan port. This will scan the IP address, right? And then port. Close here and then two dots. Now a tab. Right, so try, and then two tabs this time. Sock equals socket, and then socket. Here we are going to declare and open the connection with the sockets. Right, so sock.connect. Now we will say IP address and then port. Right, close. I forgot here one. Right, so let me just put here. All right. Now we are going to print a message, like print, open, put like that, and then port opened. There is going to print a message to us saying, hey, this port, it's opened, okay? So we have to concatenate with the str and then the name of the port or the number of the port that is going to be open. Right, so here now we are going to close sock.close. Here we are closing the connection, okay? So except, and then here, so if there is no open port, so just pass, don't print anything, right? Or just leave it. Now we're going to set the target to the inputs that we are going to receive the IP, all right? So target input and then plus enter the target IP to scan. For multiple IPs, we are going to say split by or using comma, right? So here 2 dots and then here, perfect. Now just targets. Okay, now we're going to check ports that are going to be using declared as int input, and then we're going to print a message like yeah. How many ports do you want to scan? Done. And then here we are going to set how many ports we want to scan. Now we have to use a condition if to say, hey, if is there a comma, there's more than one host, there is more than one IP address. So for this we do if, right, and then in targets, then here, okay, we are going to say, okay, print for me, will be like print for me, please, scanning multiple targets, all right, and then here close, comma, and then green will appear as green color with a green color on our screen. So now we are going to set the targets to split by comma, okay, for the function called IP add something like that in targets dot split. So use comma single quote comma single quote, all right, close. Now scan. So now we are going to use the function scan, all right? IP add strip, and then we're going to set I space single quotes, right, and ports. Done. Now else, if there is only one IP address, not two of them, then just scan, right? Targets ports. Let me give some ports, right? And we are done. So I will leave, save, do scan, right there. It's on my desktop. So just for you guys to see, I have here a web server, a Ubuntu server running some services like FTP, SSH, also web server, and then Apache Tomcat, right, on the port 8080. So Python 3 pscan.py. See multiple screen. Screen. Let me see what is missing over here. Let me see. In targets, if in targets, blah blah blah, print. All right. Then we want to print here one more. Yeah, was missing one parenthesis. All right. So let me see. Clear the screen. Control L. Let me see. So the target I'm going to scan is 192.168.0.2. Right. Now, how many ports do you want to scan? As I told you guys, I have a service Apache Tomcat running on the port 8080. 8080. So I'm going to say 9000. Right, let me see if it's going to print. Alright. So this was fast for the first ports. If you guys could see that, it was very fast. Right? And then now I have this port open on the port 8080. I have my service here. Just let's check what's running there. Sudo systemctl status Tomcat 9. Let me see. Alright. Oh, I changed my password. Here, I have this enabled on the port 8080. Okay, so let me see, where is it? Yeah, there's not showing what port is it, but anyway, I have this service running. Okay, and oh, here, in the almost last line over here, HTTP new 8080, that's running on the port 8080. Okay, so that's it, guys. Alright, for today, I thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, give me a like. Alright, I recommend some people that studies computer sciences or cybersecurity, computer engineering, or anyone who is interested on technology, right, in programming, cybersecurity. Thank you guys. See you on the next video.